In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an icon to a button using the built-in icon element in Webflow. By the end of this guide, you'll effortlessly integrate icons into your Webflow projects, enhancing the design and functionality of your buttons. First things first, open up your Webflow project. Once inside your project, navigate to the specific page where you intend to add your button. This is crucial as you want to ensure you're working in the right context with the appropriate design elements you've built previously. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a panel. Look for the Add panel. It's represented by a plus sign icon. Click on it to open up a variety of elements you can add to your page. This panel is your gateway to a world of design possibilities, offering components for creating a stunning web experience. In the Add panel, you'll need to search for something called the icon element. After locating it, simply click and drag this icon element onto your button directly on the canvas. As you do this, a blue highlight will appear. This highlight acts as a visual guide, ensuring the icon is precisely positioned where you want it on the button. Next comes the exciting part, selecting your icon. A library will appear, giving you a wide array of icons to choose from. Whether you're looking to add a social media logo, a directional arrow, or any symbol that matches your theme, there's likely an icon to fit your needs. But if there's a specific design you have in mind that you don't see in the library, no worries. You have the option to upload your own SVG file, providing you with the flexibility to maintain your unique style and brand coherence. With your icon now in place, it's time to give it some personal touches using the Style panel on the right. This panel is where the magic of customization happens. Here, you can adjust the size of your icon, ensuring it's proportionate and looks cohesive with the text on your button. Not too big to overpower the button and not too small to go unnoticed. Balance is key. You can also change the color to make sure it aligns with your design scheme. Perhaps you want it to pop or blend seamlessly with the button's hues. This is your chance to achieve that perfect look. Additionally, don't forget about the margin. Adjusting the margins will ensure there is an optimal amount of space around the icon, making it look neat and well placed alongside the button's text. And there you have it. By following these simple and straightforward steps, you've successfully added an icon to a button in Webflow, enhancing its visual appeal and possibly its functionality, depending on your design. Keep experimenting with different icons and styles to see what best fits your project. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on mastering Webflow design.